Good evening, friends and fellow YouTubers, and tonight we'll be bringing you another review as brought to you by both Eccentric Broadcasting and Guillotine Cinema as a joint production. And tonight we'll be reviewing the Beach Boys, the very best of the Beach Boys, sorry,
just trying to help. Sounds of Summer at the bottom there.
Yeah, sorry. And with that, let's get into it. And I think this opens like a book, so I'm not going to keep the plastic on it.
Yeah, oh, you want me to do a close-up first?
Oh, yeah.
This is a 2 LP album, if I'm not mistaken.
And here's what the inner sleeve looks like.
Yep, it's like credits and stuff.
I think, I could be wrong, but I think it's like songs and song lyrics.
Yeah.
Watchmen.
There you go.
Okay.
We did get this at Walmart, but there was no sticker on it that said it was any kind of colored vinyl or anything, so I think it's just I could be wrong, but I think it's just the standard black vinyl, which is fine. Came with an insert.
Yeah, colored vinyls are beautiful, but there's nothing wrong with regular vinyls.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the inner sleeve, just a standard white inner sleeve.
Yeah.
And as expected, just a standard black vinyl.
Yeah. There's side A. Side B. There you go.
Mm-hmm. And like the other one, this is just a standard white inner sleeve, nothing really.
Yeah.
And another just standard black vinyl, but while the colored vinyls are beautiful, you know, there's nothing wrong, like I said, with the standard black vinyls. And overall, you know, we buy vinyls for the music and only partially for the looks.
Yeah.
So, you know, with that, I think we'll conclude our review of the very best of the Beach Boys. Sounds of Summer, I think the album's called.
Yeah.
And if you like this video or if it helped you any, please don't hesitate to leave a like, subscribe, or comment, and share our content. And we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And until we meet again, please take care of yourselves as well as the people around you who matter the most, especially not more so in the days and the times we're living in with everything going on in the world nowadays. And as always, thank you, good night, and goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.
Bye.